Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. If you are new to this channel, this is a channel I created to share my personal experience and for the educational purpose in Web3. So no matter the market is good or bad, we will do our things. So we will still focus on the education and the investment, and we focus on the project. So for this video, we're going to talk about the Nodle parachain in Polkadot. So that's a decentralized wireless network, and they have a token holder vesting guide. I would like to go over that, and I'm going to demo how you can claim the token. So if you participate in their Crowdloan, the Crowdloan holder, the Crowdloan participants, you should be able to receive their rewards on May 23rd. So it should be automatic. So you should see that on the on your Polkadot JS wallet, and for that rewards, 30% of them will be unlocked. So you should be able to transfer that. Although I don't know where to transfer the Nodle, because it's not listed on any exchanges yet, I think. So I guess it doesn't matter. The remaining of the 70% will vest over 96 weeks. So you are going to see more and more tokens that can be vested, and you can unlock that, and then you can use that. They also have 800 million tokens. It's a private sale. Did they list the price? Looks like they didn't list the price, so they just said that it's a private sale. So now it's an important part, like how you can claim that. So you should have your wallet, and then you can go to the Nodle and connect to the Nodle. So I'm going to demo that. So go to the JS wallet, and then you should switch to the Nodle. So we should be able to find the Nodle here. Switch. So it's going to switch there. Of course, you can use the link. They do have the link. You can directly do that. That should be the same as the one I did. Normally, you should upgrade this one. So the setting page and upgrade the extension. So I upgrade that, and as you can see that this is the balance I have, and if you click this button, you can see the transferable Nodle. I have almost 500 of them. That matches with 30%, right? Around 30%. They are already unlocked, and now the next thing is you need to go to the developer and the X6. So we just go to the developer and go here, and then you should under the submit the following, select vesting. So you should go here, select vesting. So select vesting. Okay. What's transferable? Okay, so this is a number. So we will just remember this number, 493, and then we will see the difference. So now go to the vesting, and then you should select claim. So we're going to go to the vesting and select this one as claim. And then looks like we just need to sign, right? Okay, submit and sign. Okay, so submit transaction. So make sure you choose this one, and then submit and sign. Put your password. Okay, and now you just need to wait. So it will take a little bit time, and that's going to claim the vesting. And you should be able to see a little bit difference, I think. Let's wait a little bit. So it's still it's still like submitting and take some time, and then once that's done, okay, it's done now. Now go to the account, and the balance didn't change. That's your overall. But did you notice this transferable nodle? This transferable nodle now increased. I remember like before we did the claim, we get less than 500, right? And now it's more than 500. So you can claim that whenever you want. So basically, they're going to release like more. They're going to like vest more and more Nodle token. But there will be a few things you need to consider. Like every time you claim that, you probably need to pay a little bit transaction fee. And the second thing is, as I said, the Nodle is not it's not listed yet, so it doesn't matter. You probably can claim that later on, but this is a demo, like to show you the instruction, step-by-step instruction to show you how you can claim on the Nodle token. Okay, so hopefully this will be helpful for all of you. And again, like if you are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. And we focus on the project and the educational purpose on the Web3. Thanks for watching. Bye.